We are in Trieste. Monumento here. Cool. Let's hear the city. In Trieste. We are in Trieste with an old new star, Daniele, and look how nice Trieste is. Monumento della Liberazione d'Italia. Amazing. So, car is charging. Now Daniele Grande is looking for a restaurant. Let's start with a nice lunch here in Trieste and then let's visit this beautiful city here.
Obbligato.
Come ti chiami?
Giulio.
Giulio, so we have a nice
Giulio Cesare.
Rombo here.
Secondo.
I don't know what's the name here in English of Rombo. Do you know the name in English? Rombo?
Tarbos.
Say again?
Tarbos.
Talbot.
Talbot. Okay. He's opening for us. Cool. Looks delicious.
Lunch.
Nero di seppia. Danza.
Aber das ist jetzt noch herzig. Komm.
Walking in Trieste.
Gelato. 100%
Oh, gelato, let's have a gelato. Let's have a coffee.
Viene pubblicato sul sito le persone più ricercate di...
Let's have a proper espresso.
Li ho appena calati.
Piazza dell'Unità. Look how nice. Just amazing. Arte di Trieste. Ehi, ciao ciao! Piazza della Borsa. It's like the Wall Street in New York. Look how nice it is. This is Teatro Romano di Trieste. Look how nice it is. Time for an espresso.
Free entrance.
Museo della Civiltà. Massimiliano d'Austria, imperatore del Messico. And here we go. Hey. Let's go to the port. Right at the port here in Trieste. Italy. Buongiorno. Let's dive in. That's Italy and all the pasta vehicles here. So, look how nice that is. There is a boat, somehow from some very rich person. That is Trieste. Amazing. Look how nice that is. So, ending here the vlog from Trieste. Catch you in the next one.